Hey guys, this is a front-facing camera test. So as you can see, it's recording very nice. So far so good. This is good lighting. This is about 10, or no, right now it's like about 11 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see, I'm just moving around seeing how good it records. But here on my end, through the viewfinder with good lighting, it looks amazing, guys. Like I said, this is a front-facing camera. This is a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So let's go ahead and check out the back. What is that? Oh, little dust. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera. This is recording 1080p. It is a 5 megapixel camera, but it does record in 1080p in the front-facing. So as you can see, it looks very nice. I'm outside, so the lighting looks amazing. There's my hair with the wind. But overall, guys, it looks good. I don't see anything bad with it. So I think this is really good for like vloggers and stuff. So let me know in the comments what do you think. But this is a front-facing camera, and see how good the audio is. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera test outside in really good lighting. As you can see, this is the front-facing at 1080p. Very good. Let me know how it looks. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of walking down the stairs. See if there's any image stabilization. Just looking around. Make sure I don't step on anything either. Like I said, this is the front-facing camera, so it's pretty cool. It is 5 megapixels, recording 1080p. So let's jog a little bit and see how well it does. Little bit of, what's it? Whoa, cats. Hey guys, so this is the facing camera test. This is 1080p. As you can see, it's very good. So let's go ahead and see how well it manages in really good lighting. It is daytime, so let's go down the stairs, same thing. Then let's pretend like we're jogging. Going up the stairs. Hey guys, so this is the rear-facing camera. It is 8 megapixel camera. So let me know what you think. It is recording in HD. So let's see how well it looks. As you can see, this is nice. It's about 11 a.m. in the morning. So good lighting. I am by a window. So let me know how it looks with good, basically lighting. So here we go. Here's the mic. Here's the mouse. As you can see, in low light it looks okay. It definitely shines better in when there's a lot of good lighting, but in low light it's kind of, you can see some noise in the background and stuff, but overall it does look okay, especially for a 8 megapixel rear facing camera. Hey guys, so this is the rear facing camera test on the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. This is 8 megapixel shooter, recording at 1080p. So very nice. Let me know what you think. With good lighting, it does look amazing. But yeah, so let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is a rear facing camera test. As you see, it is recording with the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. This is recording 1080p at 8 megapixel rear camera. So let's see how well it does. Going down the stairs, walking around, very nice. As you can see, everything looks nice. Let's see if there's any kind of image stabilization. So we're going up the stairs. Pretty cool, you know. So let's say we're just walking around. Very nice, guys. This is in daylight settings, so it should look pretty good, and we'll go from there, see how well that does. This is the rear camera test, guys. Just see how well it captures my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. See how well it does. Wow, that's some really nice autofocusing right there. Look at that, guys. What? Very, very nice autofocusing. So let's see these leaves right here. See how well it records these. Whoa, look, there's a little beetle in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is there. It does look kind of dark here on my end though. And these leaves are actually really light green, but it's shown here in the camera that they're really kind of dark. So let's see how well that records. I do like how fast it autofocus. I do like that. Now the trick for this, guys, is you basically have to click on there so it can tap to focus, and that's how you get really clear image shots when you're taking a picture. So as you can see, very, very nice. So I do like that it does autofocus. Right here, it's autofocusing by itself. I'm not even clicking anything. It just does it by itself. So that's pretty cool, guys.